Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy. So I want to talk about something real quick. I've gotten a ton of emails on this. A bunch of people have been texting me kind of something that they're having a little bit of an issue with. This may not be the experienced hand. A lot of the guys, actually this could be experienced, but a lot of times it's that first year in the car business of getting nervous presenting numbers, okay? Now, I don't care how long you've been doing this, there's always that fear of like, somebody's want to be at $300 a month and you've got a $500 payment to go out and close them. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, that's never gonna go away. But the belief system, the way that you feel about yourself, that'll change the fact that you're not nervous, you're confident, and you rely on your skill to go in, and you kind of get excited about it, okay? I love the challenge. But when you're new, it's not really that excitement that you're maybe not like nervous excited, you're just nervous because you don't know. So I'm gonna teach you 3 things right here, all right, that will change the game completely for you on presenting numbers. So if you're getting nervous, when you're presenting numbers to somebody, when your manager puts out a proposal and says, hey, here Andy, take this paper right here, go down and talk to this customer, close them up. Come on, good luck, baby. Let's go make some money. You're like, okay, here I go. Now, when you're selling, you probably have a certain aura about yourself, right? You know what I mean? You're not really negotiating. You're not having anything on the line. So your energy's high, you're excited, you're going great. But on that last, 10% of the time where it's your chance to make 100% of the money and it's your job right now to go close the customer, a lot of the times we change. You know what I'm saying? It's like, man, we've been asking for this. We've been asking for the big paychecks, but now it's here. That can't happen. So I'm going to teach you how not to let it happen. So, nervous presenting numbers. Why? Why is usually the biggest question that I ask. Why are you nervous? Okay? So if you want to do this, down below, comment if you're getting nervous, why you're getting nervous. So for some reason, if I miss your point, I can handle it, okay? I'll reply back to you, I'll get with you, send me a text message, all right? Let's get together. And do me a favor, for the YouTube algorithm, right now, guys, I'm trying to reach salesmen all over the world. Give me a thumbs up, right? Do me a favor. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay, I got training videos that come out every week, and I've got probably another 75 that are already made. That's amazing, I promise you. Some of the best content you can get in sales training. But also, share this video with someone that could use it, please. If you know somebody that's getting into a new sales job somewhere, send this to them. Just get it to them. Let's help them. Let's grow the best salesman in the world. Let's help each other. And the more we help people, the more we're going to get help in the end, okay? More that we give, the more that's given to us. Guys, that's just the way it works, right? I don't know if you call it karma or whatever, but that's just the way it works, right? My life's been blessed just by helping other people, and I see a lot of greedy people, man, just unhappy. I'm just jacked. I'm always that way. So the why. Why are you having the issue? Why you're getting nervous? More than likely, it's probably a skill set issue. So I would say this, from 1 to 10, where do you rate your skill? So I want you to stop for a minute, okay? And I want you to practice this with me. I want you to say, here's the numbers, and I want you to say how you present them. And I want you to see if you say it the same way every single time, word for word. And if you do, then that means that's a good thing. So if I say, hey guys, I got great news, $499 a month, 1,000 down, sign here, let me get your new car cleaned up for you. And I apologize, I forgot to ask you, when did you want to set your first payment due? Towards the beginning of the month? The middle of the month? What's going to work best for you and your family? I say it that same way every single time. I don't care if I'm sleeping, I say it that way. Why? Because my skill set has learned that over 22 years, anytime that I've brought down anything in my hand, hey guys, great news, boom, whatever it is, I say it, and then I say, my skill set, what I've memorized. I say it the same every time. I will never be off, not even one word. I want you to say it to yourself. Present the numbers to me right now, right? Just right there say, all right guys, $499, 1,000 down. I apologize, forgot to ask you, when do you want to set your first payment due? Towards the beginning of the month, the middle of the month, what's going to work best for you and your family? I say it the same way. I'll say it to you. I want you to say it. And if it isn't the same, if you say it 10 times and it's not the same, then you need to focus on your skill set. And you need to say it over and over and over, which is my third, which is going to be practice. Say it over and over and over. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Customers, at $1,000 down and the payment's $499 a month. Sign here and I'll get your new car cleaned up for you. Then I pause and I say, I apologize. I forgot to ask you. When did you want to set your first payment due? towards the beginning of the month, and then my hand goes to the middle of the month, what's going to work best for you and your family? Now be quiet. And I hope I get a first payment close, which is going to be like, first pencil close is going to be like probably around the middle of the month. Okay, cool. So more like the 10th or the 15th. What's going to work better? Probably the 15th. Awesome. So I'm going to let my manager know you want your payment due around the 15th. Sign right here and I'll get your new car cleaned up with you guys. Thank you so much for your business. I appreciate it. Let me get a copy of your driver's license insurance. There we go. It's done. I'll do it in my sleep. Same thing every time. You need to be the same way, okay, guys? This is easy. This is simple stuff. But I'm going to tell you, if you can't handle the little stuff, you're no way is going to be able to handle the big stuff. Guys, I've got some massive, great advanced selling skill set stuff coming. We have got to get this stuff down now, the small stuff, okay? If you get out of bed in the morning and before you leave your house, you don't make your bed, start making your bed. You know why? Because you've accomplished something already. It feels good. And when you go home, at the end of the night, you come home, you're like, bed's made. Yeah, just that little thing right there. That's a big difference, man. That's a game changer. This right here, this making your bed. Okay? Don't take it lightly. Don't take anything lightly. Matter of fact, I could probably tell you that I close probably 20% more customers on the first pencil because of the way that I do it versus the way other people do it. Maybe even 40% higher. Guess what? I'll take those numbers. At the end of the year, you know, that's $100,000. If I'm a $500,000 a year guy, right? Guess what? That's an extra $100,000 versus the guy next to me. I'm going to tell you, be high in all the areas that you need to be to crush it. Guys, I hope this helped. Thank you so much. Remember to thumbs up, share this with someone that needs it, and have a great day, okay? See you guys.